Hello students, we are solving the IB Math AA HL past paper questions and currently we are solving the IB Math AA HL May 2023 paper 2 time zone 1 past paper. Today we will be solving the question number 7 of this paper and you will be getting the links to all the previously solved questions of this paper and of the other papers in form of playlist in my channel NS Online Math Tutoring Classes. So, without any further delay, let us start answering question number 7. The maximum mark is 6. It says a new test has been developed to identify whether a particular gene G is present in a population of parrots. The test returns a correct positive result 95% of the time for parrots with the gene and a false positive result 2% of the time for parrots without the gene. The proportion of the population with the gene is P. So, part A's question is complete the tree diagram given below. Okay. So, first of all, this is P. The proportion of the population with the gene is P. So, the other branch has to be 1 minus P because the sum total of the two probabilities of the different branches originating from the same source will be equal to 1. So, this should be equal to 1 minus P. Okay. And now it is saying, so these are the parrots with the gene and 95% of the time for parrots with the gene, you are having the correct positive result. So this is the correct positive result. It is 95% in decimals, it will be 0.95. Okay. So the other branch will be equal to 0.05 because the sum total has to be equal to 1. And for this, they have given the numbers for both the branches. So we are done with the subpart A's question. Now coming to the subpart B. A random sample of the population was tested. It was found that 150 tests returned a positive result. Okay. So let me just take the probability of positive result. This should be equal to, it is P, it can be false positive or true positive. Okay. True positive is P times 0.95 and false positive will be 1 minus P times 0.02. Okay. Okay. So it was found that 150 tests returned a positive result. It can be a false positive, it can be a true positive. Out of the 150 parrots with the positive results, test result positive, 18 did not actually have the gene. So they were the false positive case. Find an estimate for P. It is containing 4 marks. Okay, so out of the 150, given that they specify a condition, okay, and 18 is the set of false positive parrots, okay, tested positive, but they are not actually having the gene. So that is false positive and it is a case of a conditional probability. Out of 150 parrots, 18 are actually not having the gene. So 18 over 150 will be the ratio of the number of parrots tested positive and the ratio between the number of parrots who have been tested positive wrongly divided by the number of parrots who were tested positive. Okay. So therefore, P of false positive, probability of false positive, given that the pairs are tested positive. So this is the conditional probability. Okay. And this part is the false positive part. So this will be equal to 1 minus P times 0.02 over, because the numerator will be what? those which are false positive and positive. That means which are positive, false positive. So the numerator is only those which are tested positive wrongly. Okay. Over the whole expression, 0.95 plus 1 minus p, 0.02, and this should be equal to 18 over 150. Okay, fine. And this is paper 2. This is a question from paper 2, so we can use the calculator. We will be using the calculator to get the value of p. Okay, so let us use the calculator. Okay, and it is menu, and let me go to algebra, numerical solve, and solve, and okay, and it is 1 minus p. I'm taking 1 minus x. You can take p as well. 1 minus x times 0.02, okay, over 0.95 times x plus 1 minus x times 0.02 equal to 18 over 150. Sorry. $18 over 150. And there should be the comma, and we have to declare the variable. It is x. I come out, and this is the answer. The x value, or in our case, it is the p value. 0.1337 and all up to 3 significant figures, it will be 0.134. Okay. So using GDC, P is equal to 0.134 correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, let me once more check the answer. It is 0.134. Yeah. So this brings us to the end of this session because we have answered this question completely. Thank you for watching. I am Nilanjana Sanyal, and I am an online IB math tutor, AASL and HL level tutor from India. And I tutor students from both within India and outside India. And I offer both one-on-one and small group online tutoring services to my students. In case you are liking my explanations, please to give this video a like and please to share this video with your friends so that even they can get benefited by watching these videos. And in case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel till now, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be motivating me to make more math videos for you. And in case you are having any doubts, any confusions, any queries, please feel free to write to me in the comment area. I'll be happy to help you. I'll be happy to answer your questions. We meet again very soon in our next session. We'll be solving the very next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.